You can see my 4C hair. See the length. You want to know how I achieved this? Come to my channel. Hi everyone. My name is Mariam and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. I'm a hairstylist. Because of that, I've decided to open a YouTube channel. Everything about hair is what we'll be talking about on this channel. Is it from your 4C hair, wigs? In terms of wigs, we'll be doing revamping, styling, coiling. I'll be dropping a lots of tutorials regarding kids hair, protective hairstyle for children, even for adults. Want to learn about how to maintain and grow your natural hair? I got you covered. I officially welcome you all to Radiant Community. Encourage me by liking my videos, sharing them, dropping your comments. I need that feedback. Please, love you all. Bye.